Okay, notice the problems and so forth here. We're talking about absolute values. There's three basic situations. It can either be equal to, less than, or greater than the number. If it's equal to a specific number, it's either the negative or the positive of that exact number. And dealing with a 2 here, just kind of randomly. If it's less than 2, then it's going to be between the negative 2 and the positive 2. Absolute value is the distance from 0. Greater than 2, it's either going to be greater than positive 2 or less than negative 2. Goes outside. The further away from 0 you get, the larger the absolute value. Here's another little chart kind of helping you with these things. The one on the left deals with the equation, absolute value equal to C. It's either going to be C or negative C, and then you solve. Okay, but the inequality with absolute value is a little bit more trying. If it's less than a specific number, then what's in the absolute value is going to be sandwiched between the negative C value and the positive C value. Basically, it's the same if it says less than equal to. These signs just change to less than equal to as opposed to less than. So the less than situations become sandwiches. Greater than situation, it's going to be less than the negative and greater than the positive. You're going outside of the 2. Same thing true with greater than equal to. You either got to be less than equal to the negative C or greater than equal to the C. Remember back up on this little chart up here, when we had greater than, we went away, outside, less than the negative, greater than the positive. Now, for a real problem. Number 1, find the real solution of the equation. You're given 5x plus 7 is inside. Since it's equal to, it is either equal to positive 5 or negative 5. Now you go on and you solve. Move the 7. It becomes a negative 7. So this 2 would need to be a negative 2. So your answers here are going to be, that would be a negative 2/5. What happens when you go here? You move the negative 7 over, you're going to get negative 12, and you divide by 5. So your two answers are going to be negative 12/5 and negative 2/5. Questions there. And if you plug these back in, you can see that you would end up with 5 is your answer. I hope you understand.